So we're going to learn how to configure the Anviz W1 model attendance system. So first of all, when we on it, we're going to you can either connect via USB or your LAN cable. So you're going to do our connection via the LAN cable. So we go to menu, we enter, we log in. We log in here. From there we go to our network, we go to Ethernet, and then we set our IP address to our IP address is 192.168.1.12, and our subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and our gateway is 192.168.1.1. So let's confirm this. Go back. Okay, good. Now on our PC, we're going to go to our network. Go to our network, go to our local area network, go to our properties. Okay, go to IP4, then we set our IP address to 192.168.1.10. We set it to 11. It could be 11. And then our subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then 192.168.1.1 for our gateway. It should be the same as the device network settings. We only change the IP addressing system. On the device it was 12, and then our PC we are making it 11. So we hit OK, and then we close here, Okay, so now let's go to our command prompt. Let's go to our command prompt. And then be sure, let's check, let's confirm our IP address. So IP config. Okay, so our IP address is 192.168.1.11. Okay, now we are going to ping and make sure that we have connection between the PC and then the attendance machine, the device here. So ping 192.168.1. But the device was 12. So let's ping and see. Okay, so there's connection. Awesome, so we are good. So we now close it here. Okay, all right, then now let's connect our cross checks software. Let's launch it now. Okay, all right, so then we log in, we enter. Okay, good. So now we want to add some users. Okay, for now let's try and then make, you see right now when you look at it, you notice that the device is not connected, is dead, is black. So we need to connect from PC to the device. So you're going to connect these two. Okay, so how do we do that? We come to device, then we say synchronize. So we synchronize it, we say yes. Okay, alright, it's successful now. So let's close it now. Our device is now connected. Yeah.